everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you new dies from Beki Cat. These dies are designed by Nicole Silhouette, and I'm going to show you the new dies. And for example, I have these alphabet letters, and as you can see, they have these little hearts in all of the letters. The seller didn't notice that one of them didn't have, so they already fixed the problem. So if you order these, all the letters will come with these small hearts. So if you get one of these, okay, with no hearts, you just contact the seller, they will send you the right one. I made a lot of slimline cards, and because I received these kind of letters that are big, so you can put many things in them, so I started making slimline cards, and I made a lot of samples for you. Okay, so get ideas, and you probably will love these kind of cards. Okay, so I used some of the letters and I made this card. These slimline cards measure 3.5 by 8.5. Okay, and as you can see, you can write a lot. You can put like this way, and you can make sections. Okay, so I just use it this way in most of them. Okay, and right here, as you can see, these are the hearts and how they look. See, and this one doesn't have, and it says I love you, because the paper says I love you everywhere, and I just put a heart in the back and I put I love you. Isn't this cute? I'm going to show you the next die. And the next die says greetings, and it's this one right here. Okay, these are like handwriting, all of these words. And as you can see right here, this is how it looks. See, greetings. And I just put this paper that has cameras, and this one like a flag, and right here this beautiful ribbon that has those colors like that comes by mail. So it's like greetings from someone who's traveling. Okay, so I'm going to show you another one. It says graceful. Okay, and it's this one right here, and here is my sample. And right here says graceful, and I put loving, graceful friend. Okay, so this is a card like for a friend, and it says loving, graceful friend. And for these small letters, I use another die that I received from Beki Cat, and it's this one right here. I love the size of these letters, because you can add to your greetings, you can personalize, you can put many things, and you will see more often in the other samples. Okay, these beautiful letters. Okay, right here, look at the G and all of the other letters, and it has the numbers too, so you will see a lot of these. Okay, the next die is this one that says thinking. Okay, and I'm going to show you my sample, and it's this one, thinking of you. Okay, it's very simple but says a lot, thinking of you. Okay, so that's another sample. The next die says good luck. Okay, right here says good luck. So I'm going to show you my sample. I made this card that says good luck. Can you see? And I just added a shamrock. Okay, and I put a bling in the center that is green, and that's it. Right here I have another die, and it says good looking. So it was kind of hard to make a card saying like good looking, but then I thought of my husband. And I made this card that says for my good looking husband. So this is an idea on how to make a card with that word good looking. And I have another die, and this one says gorgeous. Gorgeous. I was thinking of this word gorgeous. What can be gorgeous? And I thought of the teenagers that make selfies all the time, and I said That's the one. I can make a card for a teenager or one who likes to do selfies. And I put this paper that has a lot of camera and it's pink, and I put little Polaroids, and this is another die from another seller, and I'll show you in another video. And right here I put the word gorgeous, and I put this crown that I had in my stash. Okay, so this is from Aliexpress as well. I'm going to put the link in the description box, as well as the Polaroid die. Okay, so this one is a very nice card and it was fun to make. Gorgeous. And the next word is handsome. So it had to be a card for a guy, and I made this card. Okay, and I put hello handsome. So you can write to your boyfriend, husband, maybe a nephew, saying something nice, right? So I think it's very cute. Hello handsome. Okay, now I'm going to show you more cards. Is this one that says surprise. Okay, and I didn't make a long slimline card, but I made a shaker card. Okay, and it's this one right here, surprise. Okay, and it's a shaker. So this is a simple card with just a shaker and the word surprise in the back. It's very colorful. It can be like for any celebration, right? So I'm going to show you more cards. And here is the next set of dies, and this set comes with 2 tags that looks like this, and 3 extra embellishments and 1 ticket. Okay, as you can see right here, it has the same shape on the top and at the bottom. Okay, it's very nice. It's stitched, but when you cut this one, it's just one color. Okay, for example, I use white cardstock and it's all white. Okay, then you can add these embellishments on the top. Okay, and this one looks like this. Okay, see? So I made a sample, for example, for this one right here. Okay, this is what you get. This is the white one. Okay, and then on top I just added the first embellishment. Okay, and as you can see, it has all the stitches all around. It looks very delicate. Okay, in the center too, see? And I put the same embellishment in both sides, and then I can add right here ribbon, anything to hang, okay, or a decoration right here, and then you can stamp or say your greetings here, memories. You can use it for journals, planners. You can use it as a bookmark. So many ways of using this kind of tag. Okay, so this one is my first sample, and for the other one, okay, I cut it in white. As you can see right here, it has the stitches, and this is the embellishment that goes on top. This one right here, see? And this is how it looks with the stitches all around too. Okay, and this is the same in the back. It's very feminine, very delicate. Then I made another one because I wanted to use this one, and this one was kind of empty if you just put it alone, so I put on top of this one. Okay, so I cut this embellishment, and then I put the small one on top, so you can play with these 2 colors. Okay, you can put in different colors, accented. See, and this is how it looks. See, right here it has this beautiful doily edge, and right here the stitches. Okay, so this is how it looks. So those are my samples for this one. And for that ticket, I made another card, and I'm going to show you now. It's this one right here. See, I put 2 cards here. Okay, and then I use the small letters, and I put that mid one, And then I put up here happy birthday. It can be a nice card for a birthday. And then I added these two dies that you can see right here, the doily, and also this one, that those are sold separate, but those are from Beki Cat as well. Okay, and these flowers I made with other dies from my stash, but I'm going to show you the dies that comes with these doilies. Okay, and these are the doily dies, okay, that I use the big one, and it's this one right here. And as you can see, this is the edge all around, and I'm going to give you the measurement. Okay, the measurement of this doily is 5 inches. Okay, 5 inches diameter. So this card is 5.5. Okay, and it looks very nice. And I use these 3 in another card that I'm going to show you now. But let me show you this one. Okay, that's another set of dies. Okay, that set of dies comes these two. Okay, and they are like spirals that you can use in many ways. Okay, you can use it like this and make like petals. Can you see the petals right here? Or you can use it a little separate and make like hearts. Okay, can you see the hearts right here? Okay, so it's up to you how you decorate them, or you can use it in the same size, same side. Okay, so if you use only that side, you can put like 2 layers of the same, and it looks very nice as well. Okay, so it comes these two, and I used the right here, this one that goes on the side, on the right. Okay, and right here is the other one that goes to the left. Okay, this is how it looks. It's very delicate, and it gives a very nice accent to your projects. Okay, it looks like vines. You can cut them in half and decorate your cards. Okay, like if it was vines or something. It's very delicate. Okay, now I'm going to show you another card using the rest of the doilies. And here is my card. It's not a card, I made it like this. I'm going to use it as a cover of my next mini album. Okay, and as you can see right here, here is the small doily, and this doily measures 4 inches. Okay, and here are the other spirals, and this is a small size. Okay, here are, this is a set of 2 spirals. Okay, and as you can see, it comes in different directions, so you can use it and the same as petals. You can use them separate, see, so you can play with them. And I put them this time right here, one on top of the other, and they look like petals. Can you see? Okay, there are 2 comparing. Then for this doily set, it comes with 3 circles, and these 3 circles are stitched, and here they are, see. And I just put my title right here that says Happy Times, and I use this small little die that comes with that set, and I put 2020. It was very nice to use it in that way. So it's Happy Times 2020. That would be the cover of my new album. Okay, so here it is, and this one that you see in the background is another set of dies, and it's this one right here. Okay, as you can see, it comes in 2 pieces. Can you see? It comes in 2 pieces. Okay, and the first one cuts and makes right here empty, so you can put around any other card or something. Okay, like a border edge. And this one is like a grid. Can you see? And it comes stitches across, and it looks like this. Very nice. See, So Nicole decorates all of these, thinking of using all of them together, and it makes a very nice match. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I'm going to show you the size. Okay, the size of this one is 9.5. Okay, 9.5 by 4 3/4. And my next set of dies is this one right here, and these are, okay, the top of a tag. Okay, and if you put this one together, you can hang this one. For example, if you're going to sell something in a craft fair, you can decide something that you're going to put down and staple it, glue it, and then you can hang them, okay, on pegs or anywhere, and it's going to be very nice. This one comes stitched, and it has a line that you can fold in the center, and it has this one that is kind of plain, okay, right here, and this one that has this edge. Okay, so those are for that purpose, okay, for hanging your tags. And I use another tag that it was from another set that I show you in my last video from Beki Cat. Okay, and it fits perfectly. Okay, Nicole said to use that one if you have it, and it's this one right here, this set of dies. Okay, so I use this one because it has the stitches already. It will be very nice, like for sending swaps or happy mails, or for selling. So if you have this set of dies, can you remember those that went on top that I made? Okay, they are in the store, so you will see them. Okay, so if you have that, or you want this one, is in another set. Okay, and I didn't decorate them because I'm going to use it in different projects, and I will add more stuff. Okay, so one more item from Beki Cat, and here is the last set of dies, and I'm going to show you closer right here. Okay, this one says handmade by, okay, these two, and this one says created by. Samples for the word that says created by. As you can see, this one is just in the line, okay, and this one right here, it comes with this border like lace. Okay, and here is the other set that says handmade by, and as you can see, it comes with the line right here, and this one with the border. And yeah, those are all of my samples, and I hope you like the ideas that I'm sharing with you. I will put the link of the store in the description box, so please visit them if you like anything. And thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.